Go to the morning, have a cup of coffee, and a cigarette. Going for the rest of the day is later day today. It's Sunday the 28th, and things are going to change. Unfortunately, or fortunately, we'll see. Hopefully, it's a good thing, and I'd like to think it is. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what a voice scout. Alright, bro. And he's been looking after me since I've been here, man. So there we go. So this is Sav and I trying to get some footage. The run coming up to Utan Paradice. We'll have a look there quickly. You see there, and that's the road that I normally run up there as well. But it's more difficult because the stand's giving us troubles. So we're going to have to be ninja on it. Let's see if we can get some footage there. So here we are again trying to get some footage of the main area sweep of the background there. If we can pull that one off, it'll be good. Problem is with the stand. So again, we've got to be pretty patient with that. It's a bit of a pain. You'll get there in the end. No worries. So this is me just downloading the footage we got just earlier, and then I'm going to go through this, and hopefully there's something there. Let's show you around. Here is we can use this and put together what it's like, or the view coming up to Utan Paradice, the bus or whatever. But because of the stand, it's a little problem. That's alright. Hopefully with the editing stuff that I've got here, it should be okay. So we'll see how it goes. What's that I hear? So today is day 2 of the descent of the waterfall. I'm going to head down there now, in about 10 minutes. I'm going to get myself back up to the top of the waterfall itself, in the position that I found yesterday, where I know I've got some anchor points, 3 anchor points for the rope. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck the rest of the rope down, hoping that that rope hits the bottom, and I've got a little bit to give. It's quite a way, So what I've worked out is, the rope is really long, and if the rope does hit the bottom, then I know it's within that 50 metre or 40 metre. Yeah, I'm going to prep up now, finish the rest of the kit, head down, and that gives me time to set up and go for the descent of the waterfall. So hopefully, all being well, it's a nice day, although the weather might change this afternoon. If it does, if it's anything like yesterday, which was turned into a storm, I'll just watch out. So I'm keeping an eye on the weather. The sections are going down, and fingers crossed, we'll get the descent done. So, fingers crossed. Okay, so we find ourselves day 2 of the descent of the waterfall. I've just made it back up to the point which I found yesterday, where I know I've got anchor points. We can see the 2 runs of water here, okay? 2 water sources coming through, heading down into the top of the waterfall itself. And that's obviously the point of interest, like for myself, is where I'm going to anchor up. Okay, just over here, I'm going to anchor up here. Okay, I'm going to head down the waterfall. So let's take a look at the waterfall itself. Running off. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking to descend on. And I'm going to set up now. I'm going to take the rope out, set up now. Make sure that the rope gets down all the way to the bottom. It's quite a long way. The rope is 50 metres. I need about 10 metres here to rig up here. And then what I'll do is I'll do an exploratory check, throw the rope down, hopefully it hits the bottom. And if so, then it's a go. We'll go for it. Okay, so I'm going to set up now, and I shall catch you later. Okay, well, as you can see, I've thrown the rope down. I'm not entirely sure, 100% sure, if the rope has gone all the way down to the bottom. But in the end, we shall only see. There are cut-off areas in which I can get to, and I can scramble if needs be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it to the test and do what it is that I came here for, and that is descend the waterfall. Okay, so I'm going to set this up. Hopefully you'll have a down view, and also we've got the GoPro as well, GoPro 2, and I'll record as I go down. Okay, so all being well, I'll see you at the bottom. Okay, so this is it. This is it, the point of no return. Let's see how we fare.